Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. First of all, Happy New Year, and I hope you will have a great 2022. I wish you all the best in your life. As you guys can already say, today's video is going to be about aesthetic room decor. I actually purchased from Amazon. This video is absolutely not at all sponsored by anyone. I want to decorate my room with things which you can also easily get, and I also kept it very affordable. You guys know you guys really loved my previous setup and it was really good. It was my happy place, but for this new year I just thought of doing something extra and to play with some more colors, some more stuff, and to make it more aesthetic and in a different way as well. And beige is my new color, my new favorite color. I really love that color, and I think a beige color, a good beige color, is very aesthetic as well. Beige, brown, white, gray, these are the color I really love. I have a wall which I use for my background. To say one thing, whenever you are deciding to decorate something, maybe it's your background or maybe it's for any video or maybe your room decor itself, what you need to do, you need to think about what you actually love, which color makes you happy, and why you want it. So you need to ask yourself few questions, you need to do your research. I watch so many room tour videos, take inspiration from Pinterest as well. So you need to decide what is your favorite color. Favorite color means which color you want to put especially for your videos, and why you think it will suit your content or maybe your vibe. Especially if you are not a content creator, if you just want to decorate your room, you can definitely go for it. What you can purchase and how will be the color contrast, because it is very important. If you are into vibrant colors, if you are into yellows and reds and orange and pink, you can obviously use that. But if you think that it is not going with your vibe, what you can do, you can take a plain background and you can use few neon lights as well, so it will actually work well. And now if you are more into muted colors, especially I am very into muted colors, I love muted colors so much, you can choose colors maybe olive green or maybe powder blue or maybe gray. Like, they are colorful but still somewhere muted. Now once you have the background idea, now you have to think what else you need to decorate that, because if you just paint your wall or maybe single curtain, it won't look nice. Okay, you have to add few stuff, you have to add few aesthetic, maybe flower vase or maybe candles or something like that, which will go with the color, which will again play with the colors. So you have to think it like that, and also obviously your budget, how much you are spending. I always do one thing whenever I think about any room decor, anything like that. I always sketch a part where maybe inside my head, or maybe I draw it so that I can have a perfect imagination what I really want to do. And without doing this, I will purchase so many other unnecessary stuff. Like, thinking about it while you are purchasing the particular product, like if you are purchasing a simple flower vase, so you have to think where you want to put it and how it is going to look. Yeah, let's get into this video. Hi, it's me. I'm gonna do a voiceover because that day I was really tired and I just thought of skipping that explaining part. So I'm gonna do a voiceover. It's 3 a.m. right now and I'm editing this video. A dog is shouting outside. Anyways, let's get started. I am removing everything from my background, as you guys can already see. I don't think I have anything to explain that much, but still I will say it's kind of sad that I'm saying this goodbye, this beautiful background goodbye. You guys really loved it, but I think starting with a positive note, everything will be good. My new background is going to be super aesthetic and super classy, I swear, and you guys are gonna love it. I think one day I am gonna have my own studio, and this is not actually my studio, this is my room where I film all my videos. But for now I am very happy with whatever I have with me, and I am very grateful for that. By the way, in this video I purchased everything from Amazon, and I am going to link everything down in the description box below. So first, starting off with my brown curtain, and I also purchased one beige curtain. So I have two brown curtain and two beige curtain. And if you are looking at that area, please don't, because that is absolutely terrific, and It is known as childhood mistake, okay? We all do it. Ignore. So I tried to fix the curtains. I'm gonna be honest. I did nothing. My father actually helped me. Yeah, I'm gonna show you something very exciting. These are called bulb lights, and they are not very bright, but they look so good. I was so surprised with the quality. They are extremely high quality and they look so beautiful. They just give me that perfect vintage kind of vibe, and they go so well with my background, especially with the color of my background and my theme and everything. So yeah, so far it looks like this, and I think it is looking pretty good. I am going to purchase a new mirror, so I just don't want that yellow color mirror. And this is a thing that I purchased from Amazon. Again, this is a plant holder, like a pot plant holder, but I don't have a pot plant with me. So I was a little bit confused with this, and I was actually planning to do something so that it can like look a little bit good. I decided to add few flowers and few leaves on top of that so that it looks like a fake plant pot, but unfortunately it was not looking that good. You will see I was a little bit disappointed, and I was thinking of removing this part, but then I thought, okay, I should make my own DIY pot plant, and I was trying so hard to fix that, but it was not looking good. So I took this transparent thing with me and I fixed it with that rope, and then I used my flowers and leaves on top of that, and I swear it was looking really good. I am going to purchase one pot plant, and if I get one, I am going to link it down below. But before that, I think a good DIY always works well. Yeah, moral of the story, you should always try. You should always try. Then I was just moving my makeup storage boxes, and then I also purchased these from Amazon again. I was disappointed with the size. They are a little bit smaller, but I think they look really good and the quality is again really good. And I also purchased few fake ostrich feather. I think that they are so soft, and this is the part I'm very very excited to show you guys. I actually suffer a lot with candles, so this time I thought of purchasing LED candles. So you also get a remote with this, and they are battery operated. They are so good, they look so good, and I was really really happy with the purchase, and I think I can just use them anytime.